This area is famous for oolong tea. Oh, we arrived very quickly. Huh? This is a tea farm in Vietnam, and it's one of the biggest factory in this area. In this area, this is a red ball of tea. Dear Gakta. Oh, we arrived very quickly. Huh? As soon as I started it, these are the bicycles of them. They give you a tour for that. You just buy a ticket and let me show you all around. Tea farm, oolong tea. Mostly these are oolong tea. This area is famous for oolong tea. Not much green tea. For green tea, there's another province, especially in the north mean Hanoi, the capital of Vietnam. They have a different green tea, jasmine tea, oolong tea, and different forms of tea. So yeah, the
I think they're all tired.
No, they're not. We're going now. We're going now. They eat something, and nighttime we go to a different place for a dinner. And nighttime we invite everyone for a dinner.
Why don't we just go dinner now?
Yeah, this is.